Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech gadgets to give you the inside scoop. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Wireless Noise-Canceling Earbuds. Let's jump right in. These earbuds are not your average pair. They're packed with features that elevate your listening experience to a whole new level. With breakthrough spatial audio technology, your music feels more real than ever before. Imagine being surrounded by your favorite tunes in a way that's immersive and captivating. One of the standout features is the custom tune technology, which analyzes your ears and tailors the sound to perfection. Say goodbye to generic audio experiences. These earbuds adapt to you. Comfort is key, especially for those long listening sessions. And Bose delivers with 9 soft ear tips and stability bands, ensuring a snug fit that feels just right. Whether you need to focus with world-class noise cancellation in quiet mode, stay aware of your surroundings in aware mode, or fully immerse yourself in Bose's signature sound with immersion mode, these earbuds have you covered. And let's talk about battery life. With up to 6 hours of listening time and a charging case that provides additional charges on the go, you can keep the music going all day long. Controlling your music and calls is effortless with the intuitive touch controls. Adjust the volume, skip tracks, switch modes, and answer calls with just a tap. Plus, you have the flexibility to use both earbuds for stereo sound or just one for calls or solo listening sessions. And don't forget about the accessories. Enhance your experience with the Bose wireless charging earbud case cover for added convenience. In conclusion, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Wireless Noise-Canceling Earbuds redefine what it means to listen. With cutting-edge technology, customizable comfort, and unparalleled sound quality, these earbuds are a game-changer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest tech. Until next time, happy listening.